Working on removing the dash from an early Discovery 1 Land Rover. What I got here is I got a piece of plate with 2 1/4-inch holes, 1 and a quarter inch away from each other. 2 long 1/4 28 bolts here with nuts on here with washers and a socket underneath. So let's see if we can pop this steering wheel off. There you go, the bolts are getting easier. And here we go. Let's see if she comes off. And there it is. Got it right off the threads there, pretty easy. 1 1/4 hole in between a plate with a socket in between and some real long. They're probably about 4 inches long or whatever. Bolts. And here you go. Steering wheel's off. Ta-da! Alright, catch you guys later.